Hello friends, welcome to your own YouTube channel Everest Education, and this is exercise of chapter trigonometry. I have made and there is an introduction video. Firstly watch that, then it will be helpful for you. So let's begin this from first question. The question is given in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, right angled at B means right angle at B. So this is B. And this one take as A and this one as C. So this one is C and this one is A and B. So AB equal to 24 centimeter. AB is given 24 centimeter and BC is given 7 centimeter. Now we have to find or you can say determine sine A and cos A. Means sine A and cos A. We have to determine sine A and cos A. So let's solve it. So firstly we have to find we will find firstly hypotenuse. What will be hypotenuse? So by Pythagoras theorem we will find hypotenuse by PGT. By PGT, AB AC whole square equal to AB whole square plus BC whole square. So AB is 24 centimeter and its whole square plus BC is 7 and its whole square. So what will be 24 square? So 24 into 24, what it comes out as 4 4 is 16 and 4 2 is 1 9 to 4 2 is 8 2 2 is 4. It comes out as 6 and 8 9 17 and 5 7 6. 5 7 6 plus 7 7 is 49. So let's add it. So by adding it, it comes out as 625. 625 means 6 plus 9 equal to 5, carry 1, 7 4 11 12, carry 1, 5 1 6. So AC square it remains same. AC square. So AC will be squaring both sides, so it will be in under root 625. So AC will be, the value of AC comes out as 25. It is square of 625 is square of 25. So AC is 25. So it is 25 centimeter. So I will erase it. Now firstly we will find sine A. So for sine A, I have told you in a formula in introduction video. For sine A, it is one thing more. You have to remember a simple trick: PBP and upon SHB. P B P upon HHB. So it is sine, it is cos, tan, cot, sec, and this one is cosec. Now we will find firstly sine A. So for sine, it is given perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So sine A. So as I told you in introduction video that the opposite angle, the opposite side, the side opposite to the angle means this side, it will be perpendicular. It is perpendicular. and this one is base. So sine A means perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So perpendicular is 7 upon hypotenuse is 25. So 7 upon 25. Now we will find cos A. Cos A. For cos A it is given base upon hypotenuse. Base upon hypotenuse equal to base is 24 and hypotenuse is 25. 24 upon 25. It is first. Now second. It is given sin C. Sin C. We have to find sin C. So for sin C, the angle opposite. It is angle. The side opposite to the angle. It will be perpendicular. It is perpendicular and adjacent side it is base for angle C. So for sin C it is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So perpendicular is 24 upon hypotenuse is 25 and cos C. Cos is base upon hypotenuse, so for this base is 7 upon hypotenuse is 25. So it is the answer. So let's do its second question. Find tan P minus cot R. In this question we have to find tan P minus cot R. So firstly what we have to do? Firstly we have to find the QR. Firstly we have to find QR. We cannot say base. Firstly we will find QR. So by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem PGT, we can say that PR, which is hypotenuse and its square equal to PQ whole square plus QR and its whole square. So PR is 13 and its whole square equal to, and PQ is 12 and its whole square plus QR. QR is not given, so QR will be written as it is. Now what is the square of 13? 13 into 13 is 169. 169 equal to 12 into 12 equal to 144 plus QR and its whole square. Now QR and its whole square equal to 169 minus 144 and we will subtract it. 9 minus 4 equal to 5 and 6 minus 4 equal to 2. So QR and its whole square equal to 25. So QR will be 5. Squaring both sides and we will remove from under root. So it will be 5. So QR is 5 centimeter. Now what the question has asked? Find tan P minus cot R. So firstly we will find tan P. Tan P. I told a formula in previous question that PB P upon HB. So for tan it will be perpendicular upon by base, perpendicular upon base. For P, so it is angle P, we have taken this as angle P, so perpendicular will be QR. So perpendicular upon base, perpendicular is QR. QR means 5 centimeter upon base is 12 centimeter adjacent side, and cot R. Cot R. So for cot R, perpendicular will be 12 centimeter. For cot, base upon perpendicular, base upon perpendicular for base is 5 centimeter upon perpendicular is 12 centimeter. So So 10p minus cot r equal to 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12 equal to 0. It is the answer. Now other question will be in next video.